I'm Chantel. I'm a co-founder of Mango Studios in London.
And I'm Nathan, the other co-founder of Mango's Studios London. So, a show of hands, who here is on social media? In this life that we're living now, learning how to create content and content that is valuable is a massive thing. So today is about understanding, the skills, what people use to get viral and, get good numbers and value with their content. So, like we said, the main thing today is about just learning, but more importantly, just having fun and enjoying it and expressing yourself.
When you're dependent on likes to feel good about yourself, that's social media having power over you. That's weak, that's rubbish. Yeah? So you want to actually take over and have power over social media because you are all powerful people. So start walking in your power and say, no, I'm going to be smart. I'm going to use this social media to actually make me money in some way, somehow.
Just like Nike, Adidas and all these other brands, your name means something.
Define your personal brand. So what are your passions and skills? Everyone's got some passion and everyone's got some skills. Once you guys have finished that first part, we just need someone from each table to go up and get some props, bring that to your table to finish off the second part where you're going to create your signature look and voice and feel for what you're doing.
You guys are interested about eye-catching informative content. If you're interested in sports, fashion, traveling, please check out my page. I hope you can be inspired by my content.
And I'll share my story one day. So keep posted and just keep following my Instagram stories and you'll find out.
Wait, you didn't see that. I know you guys want to be lifting more than just whistles. So if you like anything to do with sports, anything to do with gym, you want to get stronger, drop me a follow.
What we would like you to do, just to challenge your imagination, is to give any of these items a completely different definition. You are going to tell us what that thing is, what it does, what it can do. Okay? And you're going to speak with conviction. Mike is yours. You've got a minute, let's go.
Okay, so this is a tape where no matter what you stick it on, it automatically gets fixed. So if there's like a leak over there, you put it on there, it's instantly patched. If you're having a bad day, just stick it on yourself, and automatically you're feeling good about yourself.
Really, it's like a shield. When you open it, you go in a bubble, and it all goes mute. You can't see nothing about it but this is.
Well done. Show how your product or service solves the problem. Okay? That's a key part. And then lastly is the call to action. Give a compelling reason to buy your product or service. Okay? PK Humble. Has anyone here heard of this person? Put your hand up if you heard of him. You heard it? Okay, quite a few of you. Now he's got over 500,000 followers on his social media. He's got over 12 million likes on his TikTok. You know what would be great though? If we had PK here to actually judge this tournament, because he's a content creator. He's an influencer. He's somebody that's got good connections and good ideas and understanding of his industry. Could you see if we could see? Hey! Make some noise for PK
So yes, again, we've got PK Humble in the house, and PK has also said, yes, you lot are going to be invited to Mango Studios, but he is happy to do a 2-hour content creation with everybody to help them improve on their personal brand or with their business ideas. So again, make sure you go hard because there's a massive reward here today.
Can I get a show of hands for those who have felt lost or confused in their life?
Here's your solution, Magic Mango.
Introducing the Moodifier ring.
Welcome to fast fashion.
So you're probably wondering what this is. This is called A3 Headroom.
It helps address problems in your daily life that everyone deals with.
Providing the service and this product to people that don't have the same opportunities as other people.
You can download an app that if you need clothes within half an hour, delivery service will arrive to your location within 10 to 30 minutes with whatever item you needed.
And obviously, like Angel, if you use your AirPods or your headphones, we have a tracker which has magnetic. So if you press the tracking button, they will navigate to the magnet hub.
Can I ask a question? So you see when you press the magnet, let's say like now my headphones are there, will they just like come to my head? Yeah, I like that. So I like that. I'll start throwing the magnet at people and just throwing my headphones. My whole thing is energy, because energy is contagious, and then the fact that you lot had some USPs in there as well. Yeah, that's it. And I like the fact that all of you lot got involved, and you lot seem like you lot are proper down for that idea. And I like the pictures. The picture's good. You lot giving me headache today. You lot giving me a headache, because this is gonna be difficult. Based off the pitch and obviously the product, a combination of the two, I'm gonna go with fast fashion.
Everything you guys worked well as a team, you came up with a great idea, and you put together something so impressive. So can we have another round of applause? Because today you chose to step out of your comfort zone, do something different, and you actually did something, produced something really, really great and really, really, really good.
I'm going to put Chantel Lewis on the spot quickly before we go. I'm going to challenge Chantel just to give a little freestyle off the top, off the dome. This isn't written, yeah? I'm just going to just throw out a little beat to her and make her do what she want to do.
Alright, yeah, I'm flowing. Dawson, Toad with the hair, Mushroom Man, you don't care. You got style, you dancing everywhere. Go Dawson, hey, hey. Go Dawson, go Dawson. I am Chantel, I'm the girl, I gotta have a bell. Ring-a-ling-a-ling when my name goes on. Don't know what I'm doing, but I gotta make the song rhyme right now. Parliament Hill is the school. You guys smashed it, you guys killed it, you are amazing. Keep practicing.
Yeah, we just wanted to say that this workshop was actually very fun and interesting.
The experience was amazing. It helped build our confidence up. And yeah, other ones we went to, we just left.
We actually wanted to come back to this one.
Yeah, after lunch we were like ready to come back to here, and it was just amazing. And the team was amazing.
Yeah.
And yeah,
loved it.
Yeah, thank you lot for having me, man. Again, appreciate it.
Thank you. Brilliant.
Thank you for just being you know the thing, go?
Come on.
Yeah, so make sure you stay tuned, much more amazing things happening and coming.